Hey, what did you just do? Did you just cancel the ride?
No, I was just trying to rate you.
No, you just ended the ride. Why did you do that?
No, I was trying to tip you and then like rate you 5 stars.
It just said that the passenger canceled, so.
That wasn't purposeful. I'm really bad with technology, so.
Oh, you're bad with technology, huh? But you were able to order an Uber?
Well,
that doesn't line up with me.
No, there's certain things that sometimes, like working apps, I just get confused.
Okay, well, do you want to reorder the ride or what do you want to do? Because you canceled.
Okay, do I just reorder? Like, how does that work?
You can't, you have to, it's probably not going to match up with me, so you have to get a new driver.
Well, I was just trying to tip you. Isn't there a way to fix it?
No, there's not, because you pressed the wrong button. I don't know. So I have to drop you off here. There's a gas station. Is that okay?
No, well, I don't want to be dropped off in the middle of nowhere.
Okay, well, I don't know. It's a gas station, so maybe you can go get a bag of hot Cheetos and think about what you did. Maybe you can learn your lesson.
What I did was an accident.
I don't believe you. I see right through your lies. I can see it in your eyes. You did that on purpose.
You can't even see my eyes. I have sunglasses.